in the beginning of a revolution. It's similar to when the internet first came out. Artificial intelligence has already existed. It's already taken over a lot of industries. Like if you go to Wall Street, the biggest traders, the big companies, the hedge funds, most of them are not trading with humans. They've been using artificial intelligence for maybe a decade or more. Algorithms are trading, algorithmic trading, right? And they're making the most money. But now this technology is starting to become democratized, right? It's not just the elite who have artificial intelligence. And you see that with ChatGPT. When ChatGPT first launched, it got to over 1 million users in like record time, faster than Facebook, faster than Instagram, faster than WhatsApp. It's one of the fastest growing public services ever. What it's done is it's made it so everyone has access to artificial intelligence, and you can use that in different ways. There's things about that that are good, but then there's also some potential negative ramifications for a lot of people. Right now, with ChatGPT and other AI tools, you can replace a lot of jobs. For example, copywriting, right? I can have ChatGPT, Jasper, Writer, or any of the other AI tools write really compelling copy faster, a lot of times better than, like somebody I would have to hire, and definitely cheaper. Artificial intelligence has the capability to actually destroy a lot of jobs. My mom used to have a job where she worked for a TWA, an airline that doesn't exist anymore. When you wanted to fly, you had to call TWA and somebody picked up and then you booked the flight. That was the only way to book a flight. That job doesn't really exist anymore. Now it's just customer service people. But if you call any of these airlines, they're gonna try to get you to do it online. Similar things are going to happen now with the evolution of artificial intelligence. A lot of jobs won't exist. But what's more powerful is I think it's going to be more difficult to get rich. I think it's going to be way more difficult to get rich because the AI is going to get way smarter than us. And the people who know how to use it and are in charge of it, they're going to have access to so much more knowledge than any human. And they're going to be able to monopolize certain industries and certain aspects of the economy. And then also the little jobs are going to get replaced. It's like you have to start making money now. You got a few years left to make a serious amount of money. I really believe that. Right now, to get rich is a lot of competition, right? You're competing with a lot of other people, but now you're going to be competing with computers and you're going to be competing with artificial intelligence, and you can't compete on that level. So you have a few years left to get rich. Now's the time before these computers come and take your motherfucking lunch. Let me just show you how powerful this is. Let's make a video right now. Let's see how long it takes us. All we need is a topic. A high ticket fitness sales script. Let's write a high ticket sales script for a personal trainer. See how long it takes Jasper to do it. Let me see. Hi, my name is Personal Trainer. Personal trainer, health coach. I'm not going to read this shit. Let's just go here. Let's copy it. See how it comes up. Now we're going to take it to Pictory. We're going to paste it. Hi, my name is James Smith. Boom. All right, let's proceed. We're going to do it real quick. Let's pick a template. I'm looking for a fitness template. All right, this guy's got a suit on. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. We want it this size. Continue. We're making a video using AI. Now, mind you, I didn't read the shit. I don't know if it's good. We're not gonna do any editing. Oh, fuck. It knew what we was doing. It knew we was talking about fitness. All right, cool. I like that so far. All right, let's get some background music. All right, let's make them intense and hard. Let's make it sound heroic. Genre, orchestral hip hop. I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta hit apply. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I like that. Voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that
Welcome to Pictory. It has been
Let's use this
Welcome
guy.
to
Let's use
Pictory.
Matthew.
it has been shown that video increases
All right.
conversion rates by
We're gonna use
80%.
Matthew. I gotta hit apply.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting that part. Oh, I gotta hit apply on Do or Die.
Yes.
My fault.
Hi there. I am
Okay.
James Smith, a personal trainer and health
The music's there?
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah. That's the preview. Boom. We can see each scene. We can preview each scene.
I want to talk to you about how I can help you reach your health and fitness goals.
Oh shit, this is hard. All right, cool. Let's create it. created this video. Guys, we doing it live. We making videos live, all AI. Now, mind you, I ain't read it, and I didn't proof it. I ain't even watched it yet, nor if I was really taking it seriously. But think how many people got replaced for this, right? Script writers, video editors. Nima, it's your job.
Oops.
Yeah, I won't need you pretty soon. Once this shit is popping, next time you want to go on a vacation, you out. I'm out of here. Don't even trip. This some next level shit, man. So Terminator 2, right? The robots was trying to kill us. They not trying to kill us. They're not gonna kill you, right? Not physically. I mean, maybe, but the real thing is they're gonna take your jobs. All right, this is gonna take 7 minutes to generate. So let's say trainer. Let's see what kind of image it comes up with. So in the past, we used to have to get like stock images, right? But this shit just created it. All right, now let's do something cooler than this, right? Explosions. Boom. Let's say I wanted. let's say I had a tea brand, right? Boom.
That looks dope.
It's just kind of cool, off the fly. I was doing explosion shit earlier too. You know what I'm saying? Coffee cup with explosions. You know what I'm saying? So what does that mean for graphic designers? Logo for personal trainer. Let's see if it comes up with a cool logo for me. Ooh. I mean, these ain't so great, but hold on, let me try it again. Cool logo. Let's see what happens. All right, he's a little better. But that's what I'm saying. We're in the beginning of this technology. It's in the infancy stage. Imagine what it's gonna be like in a few years. Oh shit, our video's here. Hold on, let's see. Download it.
Hi there, I am James Smith, a personal trainer and health coach. I want to talk to you about how I can help you reach your health and fitness goals. Here's what sets me apart from other personal trainers. I understand that everyone is unique, so I customize my service to fit the individual needs of each client. I also specialize in high-ticket programs tailored specifically to your needs.
Obviously,
My services are designed to get you lasting results in the shortest amount of time possible, while providing personalized attention and ongoing support. You won't find this kind of service anywhere.
okay. You want to edit the shit that it comes
You
out
will
with.
achieve your goals faster than any other fitness program out there. If you are interested in learning more about my high-ticket services, please contact me today for a free consultation so we can discuss your specific needs and start working together towards achieving total body transformation.
All right, that wasn't great, right? But it could have been though. Like if we would have really like gave a fuck, right? If we didn't make this video in 6 fucking minutes.
Yeah.
Right? It could have been something good. Come on, man. Imagine if we like gave a fuck about it. There's some exciting ways to make money with a lot of this technology if you know what to do with it.